Hi, Tina Jackson here. I would like to do a little review on Erythritol. There's different kinds of brands. I'm going to show you my favorite brand and the reason why. And it's for the powdered version. There's a granular version and a powdered version. I noticed when I'm eating in the keto diet, the granular version doesn't seem to dissolve when I'm cooking or baking. Unless I'm using it in hot coffee or tea or something like that, then it's okay to use. So I wanted to just show you my favorite product, the So Nourished, and the reason why I like that over the Anthony brand. And let's take a look at that. Okay, showing you the difference between the two brands. This is the Anthony's brand. It's very chunky and it's extremely hard. So if you're wanting to use this powdered sugar version, you are going to have to crush all these little hard particles. Otherwise, your baked products are going to have chunks of this hard stuff. And I mean, some of these chunks are super, super hard. So this is not a favorite brand of mine at all. I like the So Nourished because when they say powdered sugar or powdered erythritol, they mean it. And I mean, this stuff is powdered and I mean, it goes everywhere. So this is definitely the brand I like to use because it is nice, soft, and easy to use. So my recommended brand is the So Nourished powdered version, and you can find it on Amazon. Just check out the link below, click and like my YouTube channel, and I hope to review some more products. Thanks for joining me. See you around.